Money motherfucking Moicano, boys. Holy shit. 1 day notice, this man is stepping up against Islam Makhachev, and it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. There were some leaks that Armin was gonna be pulling out of the fight. I thought it was just trolls. There's always trolls, man. There's always people that are like, oh, he's gonna pull out, blah blah, whatever, etc. I just saw it on a post, and it said, wait, did Armin really pull out? I go, I check, I see full violence. They say they post this, and then I check the UFC site, and fucking here it is, boys. Islam Makhachev versus Money Moicano, and we got it booked for tomorrow night. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Moicano is the man, stepping up. Obviously, he's had a good camp, but he's fighting Islam Makhachev, man. This is a crazy fight. You know, it would have been amazing to see Arman Sarukian versus Islam Makhachev. Now we gotta delay that by a bunch because Islam's gonna obviously go do Ramadan. He's got Ramadan, so I don't know when they're gonna rebook that fight. If they're gonna give Sarukian another fight, or if he's just gonna sit on the sidelines and wait for Islam Makhachev, to be ready to fight again. But this is crazy. Moicano stepping in short notice against Makhachev. I don't know what Beneil Dariush is gonna be doing either. I don't know what Benny Boy's gonna be doing, but we got Moicano stepping up, man, and he does deserve this jump. But this is a crazy quick jump. I'm glad he's taking this fight because otherwise I don't know what we would do for the main event. He's saving the main event of 311. We do lose the fight with him and Dariush, and we do lose Sarukian on this card, but this is going to be really interesting. This is a clash of two guys, very high level guys, but Islam Makhachev, we've gone over this time and time again. This dude is so high level, and Sarukian could have been his toughest challenge, but against Moicano, it's just, I don't know, can Moicano really do enough to even, you know, give a budge against Makhachev? Can he even do a little bit of damage to Makhachev? I guess we will see. But you got to respect Renato Moicano for taking this fight. He didn't have to take this. He could have stood on the sidelines again and just fought Beneil Dariush, which was, a very winnable matchup for Moicano. And if he'd won that matchup, he would have been able to break into the top 10, slowly move his way up to get that title shot. But he's taken that shot against Makhachev. Well-deserved shot, nonetheless. Everybody loves Moicano. I love Renato Moicano, but this is a tough step up. I'd been seeing leaks of Charles Oliveira in LA. He's been in LA for a little bit, relaxing, chilling. He's going to watch this fight. He was going to fight the winner of Sarukian versus Islam, but now we got Sarukian versus Moicano. I don't know how this is going to play out. And I thought when I heard the rumors, I was like, holy shit. I thought Charles Oliveira was about to step up. I thought my boy, my bad, you can't see this. I thought my boy was going to step up on short notice, but thank the Lord he's not, because I ain't going to lie, he'd get knocked the fuck out by Makhachev. But we got Makhachev versus Moicano. I'm glad it's Moicano because Moicano has had a full training camp. At least he's prepared. He's been training. He's been fighting. He's been sparring. Can he go the full 5 rounds with Makhachev? I don't think so. I'm going to be honest. I don't think so. I think Islam will finish Money Moicano. I don't know if Renato has that endurance and has, that toughness to fight a guy like Islam Makhachev who is pressuring you nonstop and adjusts as the fight goes on. So I am going to be picking Islam Makhachev to beat Renato Moicano by submission or by knockout. I think he will get the finish on Renato Moicano, but you got to respect Moicano for taking this fight. Money Moicano does not turn down a fat payday, boys. I mean, this is going to be a fat payday for Renato Moicano. Could be fight of the night. We'll see how it plays out, but I think this will be a fun fight either way. It sucks to see Arman Sarukian out of this fight, though, because I don't know when they're going to rebook that fight. It kind of fucks up the entirety of the lightweight title shot division here because, Islam Makhachev versus Sarukian was supposed to be kind of a resolve as to, who deserved that belt and if Islam could move up and fight at 170. But now that he's not fighting Sarukian and he's fighting Moicano, a lot of people aren't going to be respecting if he beats Moicano. People aren't going to be like, oh, that's a super tough win, kind of like when Alex Pereira fought down and fought Khalil Roundtree. People didn't respect it as much because he was fighting a lot down in the rankings. And Moicano, of course, is way down in the rankings at, I believe, 10. I think he's ranked number 10 in the division. Obviously he deserves that spot, but fighting a guy in Makhachev, a lot of people wanted to see him versus Sarukian, which would have been a very high-level matchup, and that would have been able to kind of give a resolve at lightweight. For Islam, if he beat Sarukian, he would have been able to move up and fight at 170 and potentially challenge for the second belt. So we'll see how this plays out. I am going to be picking Islam Makhachev to finish Renato Moicano. I think he will get it done under 2 rounds, to be honest. I don't think Moicano's going to be able to survive on the ground with Islam Makhachev, but it'll be interesting to see. This is a fun matchup nonetheless. Sucks to see Sarukian out of it, but just wanted to update you guys. It's crazy news, though. Like, crazy on 1 day notice. Come on, man. I mean, we were saying, UFC 311 looked too good to be true. A lot of people have been saying that it looked too good to be true, and it is too good to be true. So it's rough to see, but we still got a good card ahead of us, excuse me. But we'll see how it plays out. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, drop your comments down below what you guys think about this fight and who you guys are going to be picking in this fight. The odds are insane. Moicano's a huge, huge underdog. Can't doubt a guy who's fighting for money, man. You can't doubt a guy who needs the money. So, place your bet safely, but drop a sub, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you.